Hey guys, it's Keone, also known as Toy Reviewer 16, and today I'm going to show you guys how to transform the Transformers Studio Series Deluxe Class 04 Ratchet. So here's Ratchet. Now to transform him, what you guys want to do is you want to come here to the sides of the ambulance mode, kind of flare them out. And as you're doing that, you want to just get your finger in there, behind the rib cage of the front of the vehicle, and you kind of just want to pivot the arm out, like so. The same on the other side. And from rib cage, and pull that out. So guys, these will become the arms. So now guys, now that you got the arms, you can go ahead, take this part that was connected to this window right here. You want to straighten that, and you want to straighten that out. And then, once you got that straightened, you want to go ahead and twist the wheel so that the lights are kind of pointing outward. Just do the same on on the other side. Up. Now guys, you want to be very careful while doing this because the arms do have a tendency to pop off. Well, and the doors do have a tendency to pop off sometimes, but it doesn't really bother me. So yeah guys, so again, just turn the wheel around that the lights are pointing outward, like that. Then what you want to do is you want to rotate Ratchet's head around so that it kind of looks like this. Now that you have the upper torso twisted around, you can then snap it right onto this black part right here, and pretty much there you have the upper body all done. Now moving down to the legs, first of all, get this arm out of the way, you want to flip down these little side panels of the trailer to the ambulance, and that will give you some clearance to unlock the part where the windows are. And then once you got that unlocked, you can then fold that down, close the panel, turn the foot 180 degrees, and there you have a leg all done. Same thing, leg down, then close the panel, rotate the foot 180 degrees, fold up the back piece, like that, and then last but certainly not least, to just pretty much just tuck these panels in behind the rib cage, and voila! Guys, here you have Studio Series. Here we have Studio Series Ratchet in robot mode. So that's gonna wrap it up for another figure. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. I hope this transmission guide was useful for those of you who do have a studio series at your house and at your place. But yeah, Toy Reviewer 16 and signing out.